Amazon Prime Day, all of the insights you need to conquer. Welcome to a new episode of Amazon Decoded, our very special series right here on our YouTube channel. Amazon Decoded talks about all of the technical details you need in order to succeed on Amazon. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another episode, and check out all of the other episodes linked in the description box of this video. Now, of course, I'm going to tell you a little bit more information about the Amazon Sellers Society and how you can work with us if you need support on Amazon. But first of all, let's talk about Prime Day. What exactly is it? It's honestly one of the most significant online shopping events that was introduced exclusively for Amazon Prime members. It first started in 2015 as the 20th year celebration of Amazon. But it was so popular that it has been going on every single year ever since. Now, Amazon is extremely hush-hush and secretive about when the Amazon Prime Day is, and they only announce it 1 or maximum 2 weeks before. We already know that it's gonna be in July, and based on last year, I'm predicting that it's gonna be on the 2nd week of July. Normally, Amazon Prime Day is for 48 hours, but in the Middle East, it's for 7 whole days. 1 week of extremely great shopping and a lot of sales for Amazon sellers like yourself. Now, should you as an Amazon seller be part of this event? And what are the advantages? Here are 4 advantages or reasons why you should consider being part of Prime Day. Number 1, increase in sales and revenue. So much traffic and such a huge boost in sales will happen during the Prime Day event just because it attracts globally, worldwide, millions of customers, both new and returning customers. So that's gonna definitely impact your revenue as well as your sales, which is exactly what you want as an Amazon seller. Number 2, exposure and visibility. This is not just another Amazon event. This is the most important Amazon event. So Amazon really go full out with media exposure, marketing and advertising everywhere you go. And they recently also started partnering up with incredible influencers, celebrities, all to promote this event to a broader audience that otherwise maybe doesn't shop on Amazon. So this is obviously very good for you as a seller. Number 3, inventory clear up. I don't mean to be negative, but this is obviously part of business. So if you have products that excess inventory that you want to push out of your store, or if you have slow moving products and you want to just sell them out, Prime Day is the best event to do so. And number 4, competitive advantage. Definitely selling on Amazon is a competition, of course, but all of those additional sales that you will get from the traffic that's coming into Amazon will definitely boost and increase your rank, which in return will increase your visibility even after Prime Day is done. And it's always important to be competitive on a competitive marketplace. That's one of the reasons why you should be or consider joining Amazon Prime Day. Now, before I tell you 3 very important tips that you should follow before Prime Day, Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society are certified service provider, and we support all level of sellers on Amazon UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you need help and support, you can find a little bit more free information about how Amazon works, what you need to do in order to succeed on Amazon in our free training, also in the description box of this video. Or if you need help with anything related to Amazon, whether that be advertising, listing your products, anything of that sort, or even finding products to sell on Amazon, reach out to our team, book a call, or just email us on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Okay, so what to do? Number 1, inventory. You definitely don't want to run out of inventory before Prime Day or during Prime Day. So double check, confirm that you have enough inventory in stock, number one. Number two, if you have inventory external to Amazon, try to send it as fast as possible, because right before the event, it's going to be absolutely crazy. You're not going to be able to send any units closer to the event. Number two, optimize your listing. Look, I talk about optimizing the listing all the time. You need to optimize your listing even before, or not necessarily because of Prime Day. However, during this event, it cannot be any more important, because customers are trying to find the best product, and you need to ensure that your product page showcases the best of what you can provide. Be it images, text, everything. Make sure everything is flawless and as perfect as possible. But most importantly, focus on keywords, especially in your title, because keywords are what provide you visibility. And the more visibility you get, the more sales you're going to hopefully generate. And finally, PPC strategies. PPC strategies during the event, but I do have pro tip about PPC strategies before the Prime Day event. Make sure that you watch the video till the end so you know what I'm talking about. So during the event, you need to increase the daily budget of your ads 2 to 3x. Yes, you heard me, because you want to take full advantage of all of that additional traffic coming in, and because other sellers will be spending more money. And make sure that you also keep checking Amazon recommended bids so that you know that you are competitively bidding on the keywords that matter to you most. Now, with that being said and done, how do you apply and add your products to Prime Day? Let me show you. To get to the Prime Day deal page, you need to go to your advertising dashboard and then click on deals. Once you get here, you might have a different looking page if this is your first time doing a deal, but eventually you need to click until you get to a page like this, which shows you which products in your catalog are currently eligible. Right here in this account, we've got only one product that is eligible to be in the Prime Day window. Let's select. As you can see, it says Prime Day window right here, and I've got other different dates. I'm going to select Prime Day window, and then continue to next step. So it's very similar to how you create a deal or a lightning deal on Amazon. As you can see here, this is the price. What is the minimum deal price that they will accept? Right here, what is the discount that I'm giving per product, and how many units I am committing? Definitely, you want to commit as many units as possible, but as you can see, this product only has 28 units in stock, which is not a good idea. But anyways, you can commit as much as you want, and even if 7.50, if you're able to give a better discount, then please do so, because remember, customers are logging into Amazon looking for products at a really good discounted rate. So try to push yourself as much as possible, but definitely you need to still be profitable. After you've done everything and you've added everything that you like, you can just click Submit Deal. 3 things to remember in order to make sure that you are eligible to be part of Prime Day. Number 1, your products need to be Prime eligible, meaning they have to be either in Amazon FBA or with Amazon, or being fulfilled through Amazon Flex. Number 2, you need to do a minimum of 10% discount. And number 3, your products need to have at least a 3-star rating or no rating. Anything lower than 3-star will not let you, you're not going to be eligible to be part of Prime Day. And finally, my pro tip is related to advertising 1 week or even 2 weeks before the Prime Day event. You will naturally see a dip in your sales 1 week before, because people are waiting for Prime Day to be able to pick up the best sales and the best products possible at the lowest discounted prices. However, 1 week before, customers are still going to be shopping online. They're still going to be researching, looking at the website, seeing what things are available, so that during Prime Day, they'll go ahead and purchase those products. So make sure that you are advertising 1 week before, because you want to gain as much visibility. And the cool thing is, most sellers actually turn off their ads during that week, because they think, they're just not going to get any sales. So if you're advertising strategically, you should get a lot of exposure. You're going to get some sales as well, of course, but you're also going to get exposure to anyone that is doing their homework before the Prime Day event. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, share this video, do everything to support us, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.